As you are no doubt aware, the stock market can definitely be challenging at times. But the good news for investors is that making money in the market just got easier. You see, just one decision once a day can help you manage the risk in the market and help you become a more successful investor. The stock market presents opportunities to make money in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between, but most people just don't have the right plan or the right tools to take advantage of the opportunities. My daily decision system is a simple yet proven way to make money and manage risk in today's stock market. The Daily Decision Service is your personal guide to managing the risk-reward relationship of the stock market. We tell you exactly how to position your money each and every day, effectively managing the risk of the markets for you. I've been in the money management business for over 25 years. Over the course of my career, I've developed and refined a system to keep me on the right side of the market's really important moves. The end result is a system to A, deliver consistent profits, and B, reduce the risk of the stock market. Allow me to briefly introduce myself. My name is David Moenning, founder of Daily Decision and StateOfTheMarkets.com. As I stated earlier, I've been live on the firing line at my own firm for over 25 years, managing client money as well as my own. And yes, I use the Daily Decision Service for the bulk of my personal accounts. So today, I'd like to personally invite you to take a test drive of my system, and the first 30 days are on me. The Daily Decision Service is my personal money management system designed to capture the important trends of the stock market, both up and down. You see, in order to be successful over the long term, it is absolutely critical to have a plan for each type of market, up, down, or flat, bull, or bear. So ask yourself, do you have a plan? Do you know exactly what to do in both bull and bear markets? Do you have a plan to keep your accounts from getting creamed in the next bear market? Do you know the signs for when it is safe to invest again when the bears go back into hibernation? And do you have a plan that can adapt to changing markets? Well, if your answer is no, don't feel bad, because most people don't. Most brokers don't, and almost all mutual funds don't. You see, most people just use the same buy and hope approach in all markets. And how has that buy and hope approach worked out? Well, in short, it hasn't. I can tell you from experience that you need to have a separate plan for bull markets, a separate plan for bear markets, and another plan for when markets change. And the Daily Decision gives you just that. The Daily Decisions find opportunities in the markets and capitalizes on them. As you can see in the graph, the system does a good job of being in the market during uptrends, which is the green line on the chart, and either being out of the market or short during downtrends, which is the red line on the chart. We don't get the tops and bottoms of moves because basically that's impossible. No, our goal is to get the majority of the big moves right. And the bottom line is, since we started the service in 2009, we've done a pretty good job of getting the big moves right. Since I started offering the Daily Decision signals to the public in 2009, the returns have been pretty darn good if I do say so myself. In less than 4 years, the cumulative return for the hybrid model has been upwards of 300%. The more conservative main model has achieved gains of over 100% in this time, which means that money would have doubled in less than 4 years, all with an easy-to-follow system holding just one ETF position at a time. One of the biggest mistakes the average investor makes is thinking that all markets are alike. Most people use the same buy and hope approach for both bull markets and bear markets, but unfortunately, using this approach during the past decade has, well, as the joke goes, turned people's 401ks into 201ks. So if your plan was to simply buy and hold during bear markets, well, you would have gotten creamed. And unfortunately, the 401k turning into a 201k joke is a reality for far too many people. And this is why I decided to bring the Daily Decision to the public. In short, the Daily Decision service will help ensure that the next bear market doesn't take another big bite out of your retirement plans. If your portfolio did take a big hit in the tech bubble or the credit crisis, the question you have to ask yourself is, what is your plan moving forward? The secret to success in the stock market is simple. You need to have a plan that can work in most every market environment. A plan that is simple, a plan that manages risk, and a plan that you can live with. For me, this is the Daily Decision. Every morning we make just one decision. Should I be in the market, short the market, or standing safely on the sideline? So here's a tip. Let the Daily Decision be your new plan for the markets. The real beauty of the system is how easy it is to follow. The daily decision takes less than 5 minutes a day and tells you exactly what to do, and someone with absolutely no trading experience can easily follow the system. The goal is to maximize gains and limit losses, and to keep you in the markets for the big moves. In sum, with the daily decision, you can say goodbye forever to that buy and hope approach that has cost so many so much. Today, you can test drive the Daily Decision service as your new plan for investing success for an entire month free of charge. But before you get started, we should remember that one of the most important aspects of successful investing is having the proper expectations. So let's be clear about a few things. The Daily Decision is not a day trading service, and we don't make any fancy trades. We don't use options, and we are definitely not the fast money. No, we keep things simple. We make just one decision once a day. Remember, this is an investing service designed to help you stay on the right side of bull and bear markets. Take a moment to look over these numbers again. You will see that we are definitely not perfect, nor do we claim to be, but most investors would be happy with the bottom line. So why not let us help you get the next big move in the market right by making the Daily Decision your new plan to manage the markets? Why not take a 30-day free trial by clicking on the link below? You'll see for yourself how the Daily Decision can make investing easier. Finally, I'd like to say thank you for your time today, and it is my sincere hope that you enjoy the Daily Decision service.